Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, introducing the latest Advent Calendar box. This is the 13 Days of Craftoween. So this is the first year that Spellbinders has a Halloween crafty box. 13 days of all sorts of crafty goodies in this box. Love, love, love. You know why I love this? Look at all the purple, black Halloween goodness. I've been having so much fun with Summerween. Of course, I'm going to have fun with Craftoween. So this is a small box. This is great to take to a crop and craft for the weekend, or if you want to just have a full weekend at home crafting away. I crafted this while watching some scary movies because I love a good Halloween movie as well. 9.5-inch wide and 6.25. The height is almost 2 inches tall. Okay, nice sturdy box. I love these storage boxes. Open it up. It says 13 Days of Craftoween. Love. So in this little box of goodies, you're going to get some beautiful confetti sequins. This is orange, black, and purple. Look at those colors. Love that. And then a stamp set. Hope your Halloween is to die for. Trick or treat. You are so sweet. Creeping it real this Halloween. Wishing you a mysterious Halloween night. Oh, love these sayings. Monstrously fun wishes. Happy Halloween. Have a treat-filled night. Cheers to spooky sips. Spooky sips, you could bring out your happy hour collection. The martini glass or the sunset in a glass or the little shot glass. That would be fun with this as well. Love. The main item in this Craftoween is this beauty right here. So you're getting day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. And in each one of these, although it looks small, these are filled with die cutting goodies. So on day 1, on the first day of Craftoween, let's take a look. So fun, and it comes with an example. This is more reminiscent of Stitchmas and the Advent Calendar. So fun. So you get a really nice size die set. This is with Dracula, 3 inches wide by 2.25. So fun. Love this. You can look at some of my examples here. I'm going to unbox and then show you my examples. I'll see how I do this. Maybe I'll do this as the whole 13. Fun, 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 fun. Love, love, love. So that's day 1. The rest of the days are here all the way up to 13. So that's 13 die sets, crafters, for Halloween fun, sentiments, and the ephemera. Love, 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 love. All fitting nicely in this little box. Here are some more fun things like add-ons to this fabulous box. There is an exclusive die set, so this is only sold at Spellbinders. The 13 Days of Craftoween, the box, you can purchase it at various online retailers, your local scrapbook store, but this is an exclusive die set. This is called Pupkin Die. Absolutely adorable. Just like the wolf pup from last year. Thumbs up for that, so you could put the 2 dogs together. Love this. I'll show you my example after I show you the other 2 goodies that are here. There is also a new tool-in-one, a purple one. See, lilac shimmer. This is released now with this collection because there's a lot of subtle purple beauty in here. You know, I love purple, my favorite color. Look at this. So you can get this to go along with your lilac machines or while you're crafting with the Craft-O-Ween box. There's some optional picks. This is the standard die pick. This is like a curved pick, whichever one you wish. You can store it in here. You just unscrew it and then put it in there. This is a fun one, and this also helps to clear out those little bits when you have little pieces left in your die cuts. Love that as well. So there is the lilac shimmer tool-in-one. I also have the white tool-in-one, and I also have the black tool-in-one, but loving the purple goes along with the lilac shimmer. So that's new in town. So I'll put a link. Crafters, everything I'm talking about, I'll detail and link below. I'll definitely be putting a link for this, especially if you own a lilac shimmer machine or you just love purple like I do. Pretty. Thumbs up. Also, crafters, here is something else to consider with the Craft-O-Ween. This is a seasonal pack of Spellbinders color wheel cardstock. I will link my introductory color wheel cardstock video here so you can see all 48 colors. This is not new colors, but it is geared towards the holiday. Halloween. There is a fall assortment pack and a Christmas assortment pack. I'll link both of those underneath this. So you're going to get 10 sheets in the pack. This is a full 8.5 by 11 sheet. I use a lot of these colors in my examples for the 13 Days of Craftoween. This is carrot. There's a darker one, terracotta, saffron, peridot, lavender, lilac, violet, fog, anchor, and raven. Raven is the black, okay? So this is the Halloween assortment color wheel cardstock. Love, 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 love. First up, crafters, let's take a look at the exclusive die, Pupkin die. Isn't this adorable? You see the carrot color wheel cardstock, fawn, and anchor. Let me give you a measurement of the Pupkin assembled. So even if you don't purchase the Craft-O-Ween box, you can still purchase just this if you want just this cutie patootie by itself. So super duper sweet. Fully assembled. He is 2.5 inch tall by 1.5 inch wide. So uber, uber, uber sweet and cute. For fawn color wheel cardstock, what I did was ink blend. So cute, so easy to come together. There is a diagram for this too, so you can print that out if you wish. Let me show you everything else I used besides the Pupkin die. For this layer, I came into the nested tree frame dies. This has been going on sale a lot lately. Put this in your wish list if you don't own it already. This die set is great when you have a small image like this. You still want to fit it on an A2 card. Instead of having just this floating by itself, you could have a very clean card like that. Clean cards don't come to me that easy. This helps me to find that even playing ground where I can have something small, a little foundation die here, and then still come out to the A2. So I love this set. The largest die in here, which is the scallop detail, is 3.5 by 4.5 inch. Then there are these matting layers. The matting layer did cut this pressed out image right here, which I'll go into in a second. For the background, then I came into another favorite of mine, Perfect Touch rectangles and tag. Love this. Largest die is in A2, 4.25, 5.5 inch. This is another one to put in your wish list if you don't own it already. Has been going on sale too. 2 thumbs up for that. If I had to choose between the two, I'd choose this one, okay? This one you're going to get a lot of mileage out. This one is also very easy to use to help you make masculine cards. If you have trouble making masculine cards, this is your best friend. Love, 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 love. 7 dies in total. It comes in 6 more times to a wonderful tag. Love this. And I also love his sister, Perfect Touch Arches. I'll put a link for that directly underneath this. That has been going on sale too, so you can put that in your wish list as well. This better press plate, which is called Spider Web Backgrounds. Super love. If you love your Halloween crafting, this is a must. I use this all the time. And every time I use it, actually, I'm pressing it. I have not glimmered this thing yet. I don't know why, but I do love it pressed. This is on porcelain cotton card with black better press ink. I came on with some Altenew Fresh Dye ink in the grays, and then I gently finished this with black soot on the edges. And black soot is Tim Holtz Distress ink. I think the gray and the black helps to quiet all of this because the pup is here in that orange, and I wanted the orange and him to stand out. So I like all this layering fun. And the sentiment is from the fabulous 13 Days of Craftoween stamps. This is not sold separately. I don't see it sold separately. It's only part of the box, okay? Even though it doesn't have a coordinating die, I've gotten over that part. But I have been heat embossing it. This is black cardstock with white embossing powder. And then I simply fussy cut around it with my 9-inch Pro Shears, okay? Which are Spellbinders scissors. Have a bone rattling Halloween. I think that's funny with the dog. I think this is so cute. So that's the exclusive Pupkin die set. Love, 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 love. I think you can make a lot of Halloween cards, Halloween invitations. Use this on scrapbook layouts and mini albums. Now, let's go into that day 1 example. Isn't this fun? So let's take a look at day 1 of the 13 Days of Craftoween. The colorway that's going to inspire this is this little cutie patootie that I picked up at Home Goods. Which actually matches the picture right there. So you do get a photo on the side here. I tell you, I'm all about the summerween. I just love this. This is going to be like on a nice little spot in the new craft room. That's not done yet. Coming along. slowly, very slowly. It's driving me crazy, but this is fun. Crafters, isn't this a fun box? Especially if you love Halloween, don't miss out on this one. Craft-O-Ween, 2 thumbs up times 2. So day 1 is Dracula. And I did use the inspiration. I didn't turn his face blue. I did go with the fog cardstock. Here, for that shade of purple, I believe I went into essential cardstock, periwinkle for that. And for Dracula, you're seeing 2 different styles of black on top of black. For Dracula's cape and his head up here, I'm coming into Treasured Cardstock, the Onyx Assorted Pack. I told you guys when I first introduced this that this would be for Halloween. Oh, it's so having fun in Halloween. Treasured Cardstock, there are 7 different colors of this specialty cardstock pack. Every single pack is 15 sheets, 5 styles, 3 sheets each. You get this nice assortment. Glitter metallic, matte metallic, brush metallic. This brush metallic, absolute fun. Look at the detail here. Look at the lines going down. Yes, I purposely cut it at this angle. Look how pretty that is. And mirror metallic right up here. And then there is pearl metallic. This is a fun one for your Halloween Craft-O-Ween kit. I should have shown you that too in the beginning. I put Dracula together, which was very easy to put together. So super cute. Then I had this problem because I wanted black in the background for the night sky. He's out frolicking in the night sky. I wanted it to be black, but because of the black on black, you wouldn't see him. So how do I make you see him? I came into an old favorites. If you've been watching my channel for a while, thumbs up, please like this video. If you're new to my channel, please like the video and subscribe. I introduced, I think last year or maybe the year before. This is by Brutus Monroe, and I'll put a link for this in the other supplies. Shimmer Mist in Pearl. I shook this bottle very well because it does have a little ball, and you stand up. You bring this as close to your face as possible because if you spray it, like down here, it's just going to be like solid. That's how I got the dots. Love this too. This is another one that is fun for masculine cards, Halloween. I even use it for holiday too. This is a fun one. Shimmer Mist in Pearl. Get the pearl. Pearl comes out silver on this color, okay? I sprayed it standing up, and this was on the floor. Got that nice detail. After I got the nice detail, what am I going to do? Come in with what I was talking about. Perfect Touch Arches. This is the sister to that Perfect Touch rectangles I just showed you. 7 dies, largest dies in A2, 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch with the beautiful arch detail. Comes in 6 more times to a tag. This one has been going on sale from time to time. Put this in your wish list if you don't own it already. So here I have 2 layers. Black in the background, and then the second layer is what I cut out this treated piece with. I needed something above Dracula. This is now where I have more space. So I came in with some fun bats from my collection, the Beautiful Wreaths collection. Here I'm using my Halloween wreath add-on, and I cut some of my bats. There are different elements in here. I could have done the ghost. I could have done the sentiment, Happy Halloween, bow, jack-o'-lantern, witch hat, candy. I did use my Halloween wreath add-on on another day as well. So come back and watch your videos pretty much daily. If not, then I may do 2 days together. But I think I'm going to try and really stick to every single day for 13 days. So super fun. I cut the bats out with the silver treasured cardstock pack. So I'll just put a general link for the treasured cardstock. It's only going to be 7 packs in there with the different colors, okay? And here's the sentiment again from the wonderful Sentiment stamp set. Love, 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 love. Happy Halloween. That's like the largest one there. Again, I did the heat embossing. Most of the time you're going to see this stamp set from me is going to be heat embossed because I just think it's so wonderful with the black and the white. I think this is just uber fun. For his tongue, on the example here, it's red. I thought the red was a bit much, so I used just the coral color wheel cardstock. I think that's cute. It makes it more playful. I was feeling that Summerween feel with this. Here are my 2 cards so far. Pupkin Exclusive. You can get this one anytime by itself. And then, of course, day 1. So super cute. Alrighty, crafters. Everything will be detailed and linked below. Don't forget to check out fun things like the new Lilac Shimmer Tool-in-One. I know a few of you are going to get this because you have the Lilac Shimmer machine. A color like this is also very nice too because with the white and the black, if you travel, you go to crops, sometimes with certain colors, you will misplace it. With this, you'll see it on your craft surface. If you're in a hotel room, like I travel a lot, this is the one I'll take with me on the road because then again, I might keep it here. I might get a second one then and put it in my craft bag. I don't really like traveling with things that are white like this, because when I'm crafting on the road, I'm like, where is it? I don't see it. And it's right in front of me. This I'll see because it's purple. So fun. Alrighty, crafters. Everything will be detailed and linked below. Thanks so much for watching. Until the next video, day 2. And Kit Club is coming out soon too. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye.